What is up, guys? William here from fitnessforbackpain.com, where I teach you how to overcome chronic back pain by overcoming fear, mastering your movements, and building strength. Today I want to give you a stretch band exercise that is safe for disc herniations, disc bulges, histories of spinal surgery such as a fusion, any kind of sensitive spine situation, ruptured disc. I know that was me personally. If that is you and you're looking to train the core safely, I want to give you a really cool exercise that you probably haven't seen yet. That all you need is a simple resistance band or stretch band, whatever you have at your home, a light version of it, and just a little bit of room. That's all you need. It's a super easy exercise. It's the best exercise, in my opinion, with the resistance band for you with a sensitive spine. So grab your resistance band, grab a little room, and let's jump in. I love using this exercise, and what's cool about it is it kind of goes along with my theory of core training, especially for disc herniations, disc bulges, if you've had a fused spine, any kind of history of chronic low back pain or post-surgery, right? Core training is essential, it's critical. You gotta do it right. You gotta make sure you're not doing it doing it in a way that's gonna cause more pain or damage or create fear around training the core. So this is a really cool exercise. I don't know what to call it. So if you wanna name it for me, in the comment section, let me know what you think it should be called. I'm gonna call it for now, pay-lift press to warrior press, right? I got my stretch band here, resistance band, stability band, whatever you call it. Grab one, grab your lightest variation of it or the lightest version of your stretch band, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. So what you're gonna do, attach your lightest stretch band to your rig, to your door, your bumper, your small child that's heavy enough to hold this down for you, whatever you have, and you're gonna anchor it. That's your anchor. Okay, the key to this exercise and why I like it so much is because you're focusing yourself in a neutral position. So it's an anti-rotation, it's an anti-flexion, and an anti-extension type of exercise. You're trying to maintain a neutral position, a comfortable position, and then challenging the core from there. This is why it's safe for disc herniations or disc bulges or fusions or whatever you may have in that area. You can do it two different ways. One way is your knee is closer to the rig, right? Or whatever you're attached to. You can do the other way where it's the opposite. Me personally, I feel like I feel more stable with the leg that's on the side of the band, that being up. But if you want to be more challenged, you can do it with the opposite leg. So find one that fits best for you. Now from here, pay-lift press essentially is this. You're coming straight out and you're doing that pay-lift press, right? So we're going to do a pay-lift press to a warrior press. And a warrior press is, I'm gonna try and not mess my mic up. A warrior press is when you come from here, or you start in your chest, and you go straight up like this. And back down, but you have a band in hand. Now, the essentials to why this is such a good exercise for people who have a history of disc herniations, bulges, fusions, stuff like that, is because we're gonna focus on what's happening here. So I'm gonna bring my ribs down, okay? My pelvis is in a neutral position. I'm not slammed out into extension. I'm in a comfortable neutral place, okay? Ribs are down, quick brace, and I'm in a good stacked position. I'm not in pain sitting here. Now what I'm gonna do is add the challenge. So I'm gonna go to the pay-lift press first, and then I'm gonna move to the warrior press and then back. So I'm gonna shut up and then watch me do this. It's one fluid motion, so I'm coming out, up, and coming back. Now the hardest variation of that is going to be with the arms stretched straight out like this. You want to make it easier, bend your elbows, especially if your shoulders aren't really warm yet. It can be too much, especially coming from here to here, like doing this motion with a fully outstretched arm that's not really warm as far as the shoulder goes. You might have a little bit of pain. So what I suggest you do is either warm your shoulders up really good or bend your elbows. So I'm not gonna come all the way out. I'm gonna bend and I'm gonna stick to this modified version here. Right? Find which way works best for you. Now, obviously you want to do both sides because this side is only working one side at a time, and just try it out. It's a great exercise. Again, you're protecting the spine. You're not flexing. You're not twisting. Any of those kind of dangerous or scary type of exercises that you could be doing. But if you have had a disc herniation, if you have a disc bulge, if you have a history of these kind of things, try this exercise out, add it to your core program before you train, before you actually start doing the weighted exercises. Train your core first and start with this. All right, so what'd you think? Again, I'm not sure what the name of it is. I'm talking about a pay-lift press to a warrior press. If you have a better name, let me know in the comments section below and I'll literally name it. If it's awesome, and you give me a great idea, I will give you credit and I will name it after you. Or if you already know the name of the exercise, put it in the description so I can fix this, because I have no idea what to call this thing, but I just know it's awesome. I've been using it. Even when I'm really sensitive, I use this exercise and it never gives me issues. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. If you haven't picked it up yet, I'm actually giving away a free 7-day band and body weight workout. If you're looking to find out how to exercise with minimal equipment, especially around a sensitive back post-surgery, whatever your situation may be, I actually give away a free 7-day training program that I've designed that I use personally for myself. So it's yours, absolutely free. If you look at this video down here below, it's already up there. If you go to fitnessforbackpain.com/free week, it's yours. Grab it, download it, use it over and over and over. The coaching notes in there is hands down the best info you'll ever find on the interwebs. I promise you that. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.